If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Southern First Bank, follow these simple steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Southern First Bank online banking account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to Transfers. Once logged in, locate the Transfers section in the main menu. This is where you can view all your recent and pending transactions. Step 3. Find a pending transfer. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Select the transfer. Click on the pending transfer to view its details. This will provide you with options related to that specific transaction. Step 5. Cancel the transfer. Look for a cancel button or option within the transfer details. Click it and confirm your decision to cancel the transfer. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that the transfer has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel a pending transfer on Southern First Bank. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer service for assistance.